You're watching the Weiss channel. Remember solving for y, right? What we would do, we'd minus 8 from both sides here. You get 4y equals 24, divide 4, you get y equals 6, right? So we're essentially going to do the same thing. We want to get y alone. So what are we going to do here? We're going to minus 4x from both sides. And we're going to get y equals negative 4x plus 25, because we write in the order of mx plus b. So y equals negative 4x plus 25. What's the intercept? 25. And from there you go down 4 over 1, right? And there's your graph. Same thing here, right? But this time, to get y alone, we're going to minus 5x from both sides. You get 8y equals negative 5x plus 40. All right, we're going to divide by 8. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term, right? So you divide all of them by 8, you get y equals negative 5 over 8 plus 5. Your intercept is 5. From there, you go down 5 over 8. And there's your graph. Here, we're going to minus 10x from both sides first, right? You get negative 8y equals negative 10x plus 40. Divide all three by negative 8. Okay. The negative 10 over negative 8 reduces to 5 over 4. You get y equals 5 over 4x minus 5. Your intercept is minus 5, and you go up 5 over 4. And there's your graph. Here you have negative 9x plus 6y equals 36. So you're going to add 9x to both sides. You get 6y equals 9x plus 36. Divide by 6. You get y equals 3 over 2x plus 6, because you reduce the 9 over 6. Your graph starts at positive 6 and goes up 3 over 2. And there's your graph. 4x plus 5y equals 20. You're going to minus 4x from both sides. You get 5y equals negative 4x plus 20. Divide all three terms by 5. 20 over 5 is 4, right? So you start your graph at 4, and you go down 4 over 5. There's your graph. Over here, I'm just going to minus x from both sides. I get negative 5y equals negative 1x plus 5. Divide all three terms by negative 5. Negative 1 over negative 5 equals positive 1/5. 5 over negative 5 is negative 1. So I start my graph at negative 1, and I go up 1 over 5. That's my graph. You've been watching the Weiss channel.